Hello everyone, I'm Dimitri, an architect and instructor at Labideus. And in this lesson, I'll show you something very cool in AutoCAD, which is how we can split the screen into two parts. This is useful, for example, for when you want to work with a floor plan and a section at the same time, a section and an elevation, and so on. And to do this, we're going to look for a button that's quite hidden here in AutoCAD. It's in the top left corner, to the left of the word top, so right in the corner here. When you click it, a small window will appear and we'll hover the mouse over the option Viewport configuration list, okay? By default, AutoCAD will always come as single, and then we can use two vertical or two horizontal, right? For example, here I'm going to choose two horizontal. One of them will already be active, okay? The active one will be the one with this little blue border around the window. And then you just manipulate your file as you've always done here. If you want to work on the other part of the file, just give it a single initial click. The blue will be around that window, and I can then zoom in on other parts of the project here, okay? So this process is really cool. To go back to normal, we'll go again. Now the little button will have a plus symbol, okay? Let's click there, and we have, for example, the vertical option, right, as well. So that's really nice for us to be able to change things here. To go back to normal, I'll go to the button again, Viewport configuration list, and there are other options, of course, right? You can even split it into 3 or 4 parts. But usually I use 2 parts there, which are enough, unless you also have a very large screen. So to go back to normal, just click on single and everything's fine, okay? Remembering that we have our complete AutoCAD course, which is here in the description. It's very cool. It's from scratch, okay? See you then in the next lessons, and thank you very much.